Yo, what up? It's TLB in the house. I am here to make my application for a mentor, to be Steve's mentoree. I think Steve is a cool guy. Well, I think you're a cool guy, Steve, if you're watching this. But yes, about me, I am a solution analyst at Deloitte. That specifically, I'm a front-end developer, but I'm also a full-stack developer, but I got hired as a front-end Angular developer. And I want to be Steve's mentoree because at the time when I was being hired at Deloitte, I was also being interviewed at Amazon, and my goal is to work for Amazon, to be a software engineer at Amazon. And I plan to do that like in a year. Currently, what I'm doing is I'm going over the HackerRank stuff, and that's kind of what I want to. That's my biggest weakness I know right now because I'm not really good at HackerRank problems. And when I had that Amazon interview, I got to the coding challenge, and the guy there was really cool. It was like an easy HackerRank problem, and I would give myself like a 2 out of 5, but probably was like a 1 out of 5 because I attempted the problem and I solved like I thought it would be solved, but it was buggy. And the interviewer, he tried to help me debug it a little bit, and a lot. And I just kind of like at that point I was already hired at Deloitte, and I knew that at this point in my career I wasn't going to pass this interview because I know I wasn't good at HackerRank problems. So I just kind of like, I just said, hey, I'm sorry, I can't do this right now. And he was cool with it. But yeah, as you can see, this AWS interview decision, we are not moving forward with the interview process for this position. Yeah, but yeah, but it's okay. I work for Deloitte now. This is my Deloitte public profile. There's this like internal thing where you can just like view your stuff. And this is my main portfolio, surge.link. You can check it out. I've been a developer for a web developer for 6 years now. You could see my first YouTube channel when I made in 2016. Yeah, that was my first video, like TLB, yo, what up, TLB? I'm the Learning Bro. That was my gimmick thing. I mean, it's kind of a cool name, the Learning Bro. I wanted to make this channel to be about learning stuff and my progress as a web developer. And now I work for Deloitte as a solution analyst, and it's pretty sick. Like I have this Angular is like my jam. I love Angular. It's the best. I like full stack. I'm also right now what I'm doing, since I'm in between projects, because I quit my project last week because my team was incompetent. Well, my managers were incompetent. By the way, I actually like how Amazon has a very rigorous hiring process because I understand that. Yeah, I want the base level to be smart, and that's why I want to work for Amazon because I know everyone there is smart, and I don't have to deal with managers who don't know how to write a for loop. It's the most ridiculous thing ever. Like I had a manager on my last project who didn't know coding, and he was making me coding tickets, and I was actually doing his job because like, hey, this is what I need. It was absolutely ridiculous. So yes, I want professionalism, and I don't want incompetency. I'm sorry, Deloitte. Well, it was like an internal project, so. I'm currently being interviewed for an FDA project, so that's cool. They have like code coverage, so like I'm going to be joining a team, like a legit team. But still, like my passion is just AWS. I use Amazon Web Services. Right now, I'm studying for an AWS Solution Architect exam. So you can see me. I'm doing this Udemy course. But so I'm doing 3 things right now. I'm studying Udemy. I want to be a solution architect. AWS solution architect. I'm reviewing my mean stacks because I'm an Angular like Node JavaScript full stack developer. So I'm going back to this course, and I'm also doing this data science thing that I did a practicum. But most importantly, I want to be good at HackerRank. Most importantly, I want to like this. That's kind of what I want to be the best at. I want to be a really good problem solver. So I mean, yes, that's why I think. Steve, you being my mentor would be awesome because you'll encourage me to like in the check-ins be like, hey, how are you doing your HackerRank stuff? And I'm like, yeah, I'm good. Because right now I'm just like, I just don't have the motivation to stop. And maybe you can even help me sometimes when I get stuck. That'd be awesome. So besides that though, this is just my short video. My name is Serge, aka TLB. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Peace.